Welcome back to the Timlec, and I tell you what, I'm glad I saw that footage again, because I was getting it completely wrong. So, let me go about it the right way. So, first of all, I've got this the other way up. This goes like this, and I think, yeah, this goes like that, and this is the right one. And then we have this arrangement here. So we have this the other way up, but then we have this one on top, and then we have the hour pipe like that. And I think that's right now. Does it look right? Yeah, I think it does. Yeah, in my opinion, that looks correct. So I'll tell you what, since there's nothing else to go between the plates right now, I'll put the top plate back on again, like this. If you can call it a plate, it's a very weird shape. And I will see how smoothly it functions. So why is this not going down all the way? Oh, it's just one of those things, alright. So we have, something I do remember, is we have washers and rectangle headed flat bladed bolts, or button head I think it's called, I don't know. They're not domed and they're not countersunk. So if this is correct, this should function smoothly, and I don't need the electricity to prove that. I just need the knobs. So this is the time knob, and this is the alarm knob. So, yes, this is actually what it wasn't doing before. Oh, brilliant! Okay, you see that wedge. Alarm on, buzz buzz buzz, alarm off, stick it in between. This actually has the potential to work now. A little taster of what it sounds like. So our next issue is about the alarm tension. Now, in order to fix that, we will need a better grip on our thing here, and I don't think the rubber alone anymore is going to cut it, so let's find out. Maybe it will. So we've got this, and then we've got our little pinny thing. Or maybe it will. Only one way to find out, and I should not have done it now. Will this actually work, or will I need extra grip? I don't know, it might cut it. If I can get this in. About halfway. About like that. Okay, so hopefully by turning this knob, the top one will not rotate. Oh no, it is rotating. Okay, well the tension's not there yet, but I think with another washer maybe? Let's find that out. So, I have bought my things here, so maybe I have a washer in here. My box of miscellaneous things. A washer small enough to fit. Right, I think I've got one. Is this enough? It's quite thin. Let's try it. So if I put this behind it, like that, and then do our rubber. Will I even be able to get it in? Or are we going to have a Bayard on our hands? That applies to the few people out there who worked on Bayards. Right, am I there yet? Nearly. Well, the difficulty of this is it's going to be harder, but hopefully we see some result. These are straight pins, I think, they're not tapered. Which means they're easier to replace, but... Actually, no, they're not. They're harder to replace. Because you need the right size. But... they go in both ways. I'll tell you what, I'll get back to you when I've done this. Right, I've got it in with pliers. Is there any improvement? Cross your fingers. This should not rotate with the other knob. Unless I'm getting things drastically wrong. Which wouldn't surprise me. Oh no, it's still rotating. Well, there's something up. I think maybe... I don't know. Why is this rotating? Maybe the other washer wasn't a good idea. Yeah, alarm tension's one of those things that it's always frustrating. You just want to make it more difficult to turn. Maybe it's down to this being tightened up too far. Oh no, I don't think it is. Well, you want to compress these two together more, don't you? So maybe I don't know. I don't get it. I'll try this again. Maybe that did something. Some things do things, and some things do not. Hopefully this is one of the things that do things. Yeah, bit off camera. Hang on a minute. Oh no, the pin went ping. And yet he finds it. That was a 1 in a million. Me actually finding a pin that goes flying. Yeah, these pliers aren't the best base for this. I think I've done everything else. Oh, yeah, get back to you on this. Well, ladies and gents, I think we have done it. And I'll tell you what I did. I put the washer, not there, but I actually put it there. And for some reason that made all the difference, because now look, no turning of the spindle. I also put some oil on the shaft as well. But I think the main contribution was the actual position of the washer in there. Well, that's interesting. Well, it's doing it now for some reason. That's not good. Yeah, I've still got no idea what the cause is then. Why does it just want to rotate the shaft? It's pretty stiff. Do we need another washer? Thicker washer? Well, I'll tell you what. I'll get back to you. I know this series has been a lot of short videos instead of probably what more people prefer was a few longer videos. I don't know, maybe people are different. But I will leave you with this, and I think it's going to take a while and a bit of trial and error for me to get the perfect balance of washers and things. So I'll leave you with this. Well, I'll leave myself with it, and hopefully in the next video, which there will be a video, you will see this functioning better. So thanks for watching, and make sure that you watch the next one.